Hello, in this video I am gonna show you how to enable fingerprint in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. First you have to go in a setting. In the setting scroll down. Here lock screen and AOD option. Here you can find fingerprints option. Tap on it. Continue. Next I will select pattern. Continue. Now the fingerprint option is showing. I'm gonna tap on register in display fingerprint. So I will scan on it. You can simply scan your finger by changing an angles like I am. It's done. I'm gonna lock it. Here it is, fingerprint option is showing. Whoa, it is very much fast. I'm gonna lock it. Here is the fingerprint option is showing. Here is the fingerprint option is showing, and the other one is pattern option. I'm gonna select fingerprint option. Wow, it is very much fast. I hope you like the video. Make sure subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.